Okay, now that you have installed PyGame and Visual Studio Code, you're going to build your first game, and we're going to be completing an activity called PyGame in a day. So I'm just in the game development course on Trove, which you can access through our class page. And you want to download, you want to click to open up this PyGame in a day link. So if we click on that, it will open it up in a new resource. Okay, and you'll see here that we have got two images, we've got a sound file, and we also have some instructions that you're going to be following. Before we download these three files here, you need to go into your Python project folder that we made in the last lesson, and you need to create a new folder for PyGame. So you can call this PyGame in a day. You don't need to worry about the date here. So it's PyGame in a day. You're going to select these three files and download them, like so. Okay, it will zip them up into one folder. Okay, then you can select them all, right-click, copy, and then paste them into that Python project PyGame folder that you just created here. Okay, I'm just going to delete a file that I previously made. Yeah. Okay, so we can close that now. The other thing you need to do is open up the instructions that you're going to be following. So if you click, it will open up in a new link, and it will look like this. All right, so this game is going to give you all of the code that you need. You don't need to install PyGame because you'll remember that we did this last time, okay? So you can just start from the Getting Started section here. It is going to tell you all of the code that you need, but it isn't going to show you where to put it. It's going to tell you where to put it, okay? So you're going to have to really read what it's saying really well, and you're going to need to use your computational thinking skills to break down what it's trying to say, okay? So this tutorial is not going to go through how to do this task because I want you to have a go at completing it, but I will show you how to set up your Visual Studio Code and also what the end result is meant to be. Okay, so you want to open up a new folder here. So we'll go File, Open Folder, and just like we did before, you're going to navigate to that folder that you created. Okay. Then the folder should open up here. You're going to go New File, okay, and then you're going to type in game.py. Okay, I'm not going to do that because I've already done it. Okay, your end result will be something like this. Okay, again, you're not typing, you're not coming up with any of this code yourself. You're just working out where it's meant to go. If we run the program, okay, you will see the end result. Okay, the end result is that I've got a hero here, and the goal is to try and collect all of the candy. Okay. All right. Now you might not hear the sound on my computer. It's making a sound like it's unraveling, unscrunching the candy. The goal is to collect all of the candy before they keep respawning different places. Okay. So it is quite a simple game. Okay. So this is how the game works. So that is what you're going to try and make today. So as I said, make sure you are reading those instructions really, really clearly because it does get you to an endpoint with a game that works, but you need to try and understand and interpret what it's saying. So make sure you start here at the Getting Started section with your first line of code, which is import PyGame. You can actually copy and paste straight from this Word document, but just be aware that when you come across quotation marks, which the first one is here with the hero image, these characters are a little bit different in Word than what they are in Visual Studio Code. So if you do copy and paste from here, then you need to delete the quotation marks and just type them in again. Okay? All right, so good luck. I can't wait to see what you make, and I will let you get on with it.